Hey, welcome to the TechBarrett.net. My name is Colton Roper, and in today's video, we're going to talk about how to download Windows 11 onto Oracle VirtualBox. There might even be a little extra tidbit in how to bypass that pesky TPM module as well. Let's get over to the workstation, shall we? All right, here we are. First off, we're going to download Oracle VirtualBox. We're going to go to this URL here, and then make sure you click on your preferred platform, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and follow the prompts, of course. Then we're going to want to install Windows 11 from the Microsoft Software Download. Going to come down here. We're going to want Windows 11 disk image, and we're going to hit download. Shouldn't take too long if you have a decent internet connection, but I believe it's 5 or 6 gigs, something like that. And again, any links will be provided down below. So once you've downloaded those specific programs and that specific ISO, you're going to go open up your VirtualBox. You're going to hit new. You're going to name your virtual machine whatever you want. And you're going to want to make sure your machine folder is in a drive that has enough space. We're going to go here, 11 test. We'll call it that. Learn how to type. Do that. Going to make sure we're using Windows, in this case, Windows 11. Next. The recommended size is only 4 gigs. If you have the memory to spare, I would jump it up to 8 gigs minimum. I think that's 8192, something like that. Might not be specific. Luckily, Virtual Machine tells you, has a green area of where you should be. Gonna create a virtual hard disk, go with VDI. I'm gonna do a fixed size. The minimum for Windows 11, I believe, is 64 gigabytes, but 80 gigabytes is perfectly acceptable as well. Come over here. Again, make sure you're in a folder that has enough space. We're going to create it, and we will skip to the download being finished. All right, now that that has finished creating that drive, let's set up our Windows 11 virtual machines. You're going to click on it. You're going to hit Settings. We're going to go to Storage, and we need to assign this disk image file to the ISO you downloaded. So we're going to go here. You can choose it wherever it was. Luckily, I've already set it up once. You can do that. Hit OK. And at this point, we're going to start it up. Going to let it do its thing. And then it's basically a Windows installation prompt. Pretty typical one from here. Gonna hit next or whatever it is. Gonna hit install now and let it do its thing. If you have a product key, you can enter it here. I do not. Then you can select which version of Windows 11 you would like to install. Because I have the option in this case, I'm gonna go Pro. And here's that TPM check, unfortunately. But we have a way around it. So we're going to exit out. Yes, I want to quit. When you get to this screen, you're going to want to hit Shift F10. You are going to want to type in reg edit for the registry editor. This should open up. You're going to want to open up local machine, system, and then setup. You're going to want to right click on setup. You're going to do a new key, and you're going to want to type this in exactly. Capitalization and space does matter. You're going to hit enter. And as you hear, you're going to do a new D-word 32-bit value. I'm going to type in bypass secure boot check. Double click it. You're going to add the value as a 1, change the value to a 1. And you're going to want to do one more key. Gonna bypass TPM check. Make sure you assign a 1 to that value, and it should be in there. Again, you want to make sure that your capitalization, spacing, and spelling are exactly correct, exactly as I have typed in here. Once you have done that, you can exit out of this, and you exit out of the command, and then you can proceed with your installation of Windows 11. And if all goes correctly, which it did, we can now continue on with the installation. From here, it is simply following the prompts as you see fit. And yeah. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is the first video I have done for the TechPirate.net YouTube channel, but I have done many an article at www.thetechpirate.net. So check it out if you want news, reviews, gripes, and more. But until next time, guys, enjoy your day. And of course, if you'd like to see a more detailed installation video for Windows 11 on VirtualBox, please let me know. If you'd like to see an installation video on other types of operating systems, whether it's Windows 10, a server operating system for Windows, or even Linux, please comment down below.